Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your service repair order documentation. Let's start by looking at a typical repair order. You'll see it includes total charges, broken down into customer charges, warranty charges, and internal charges, corresponding to who's getting billed. Now in the print function, we have different types of documents. The tech card produces a document intended for internal use, specifically for the technician. This document never shows pricing information. It's focused purely on the work to be done. The tech card contains the customer's concerned cost and correction. It details the parts needed, quantities, and the labor hours allocated for the job. Next, we have the service repair order customer copy. When you print this out, you'll see the unit prices, labor charges, and any miscellaneous charges on the customer pay lines. If it's for internal pay, it will show the parts and work being done, but will not display any pricing information, since it's not relevant for the customer. Similarly, for warranty repairs, the document will show what's done, but won't include any pricing details. Only the customer charges will be visible. For warranty administrators, you can print the warranty copy. This document only shows job lines that are related to the warranty pay and excludes customer pay lines. Finally, let's talk about the audit copy. You won't be able to access this until the repair order is posted. Once it's available, the audit copy will show the customer pay lines, internal pay lines, and warranty lines. It's a complete document that details which accounts were charged and how much was posted to each account. This copy is crucial for accounting to ensure everything matches between the repair order and the general ledger. To recap, there's 4 key audiences for these documents. Using the right print options ensures that each document goes to the appropriate recipient with the necessary information. Thanks for watching.